Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Barbie, and today's video is all about this magical bridal makeup transformation. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I already prepped my model's face off cam, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this treasure matte primer on her face. The product I use for this makeup tutorial is listed in the description section below. After applying the primer, I went ahead to apply her foundation shade using a beauty blender sponge. And for the highlight and contour, I used two different shades of Pro Concealer Corrector. Then I went ahead to blend using the same beauty blender sponge. I used the darker shade of the concealer to contour and the lighter shade to highlight. After blending, I use the Kiss Beauty Fix Spray to set. Next, I'll be going in with my black opal loose powder to diminish shine and give a natural matte finish. Guys, this is my SACHA matte palette. It has 12 different shades and I love the finished look it gives to my makeup. I use it to contour, highlight and also give my makeup a beautiful finished look. For blush, I'm using this blush from my USHAS Beauty palette and I'm applying just a little. I'm using one of the shades from this my SACHA palette to contour her nose. For her brows, I'm using a brown gel liner from Kiss Beauty. Guys, I love using this tiny angle brush that came with the liner to do brows. Please use the brush that is most comfortable for you. To conceal her brows, I use a lighter shade for the brow bone and a shade close to her skin tone on the outer part of her brows. I'm setting all the concealer with my black opal setting powder. It's time for the eyeshadow. First, I'm applying same loose setting powder underneath her eyes to catch fallouts. For the eyeshadow, I'm using Who Is That Girl Make Me Gorgeous 63 Colors 5D eyeshadow tray. It's one of the best eyeshadow tray ever, guys. I'm using a black gel liner from Kiss Beauty to line her waterline and her eyelid. My camera went off when I was filming, so I didn't really get the part for the lashes and the lips. I promise to make it up to you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching to the end. So this is what our finished look looks like. Don't mind the hair, we didn't have time to style it. Thank you for watching.